All right, let's talk about these Stretch-Fit lids. So Pampered Chef came out with this awesome design for Stretch-Fit lid that is way better than the competitors. I actually purchased some of the old Stretch-Fit lids from, Amazon or wherever else, and I was so disappointed I send them back. And I never send anything back. So for me to send something back, it was really bad. They were hard to get on the bowls, they didn't fit right, they slipped off, it was a disaster. So when Pampered Chef came out with their lids, I was a little wary and I did not purchase them right away because, let's just face it, I know that sometimes product design flaws make it through the quality assurance, but I am so happy with my Stretch-Fit lids that I try to tell everyone who likes rectangular bakers or our glass bowl set that you need a pair. So let me show you how they work. First of all, I love that they store my bakers rest inside of each other just like this, and I can actually store all of my lids together and it won't make anything taller because we all know that we have cupboard space issues, especially for like Pampered Chef. So this is how they work. You just clip them over, so you just slide them right over the side like so, and voila, they are on. These will fit other bakers as well, so if you have the Pyrex glass bakers, I know for a fact that the large one will fit over the top. Even if they have the handles on the side, you can stretch it up and over and it will fit. These are oven safe up to 350 degrees and they're dishwasher safe. Win-win. Okay, the other thing that's really cool is they have a vent hole. So if I decide to bake something in this and I don't want it to splatter all over the oven, I'll actually bake it with the lid on and leave my opening so that it doesn't, all the steam doesn't make it burst. The other thing it's good for is removing air when you're actually going to store something in the refrigerator. So let's see if I can do this in the air so you can see. So you would push in to remove all of your air, and then you would just insert your plug like so. It's hard to do in the air. There we go. Insert your plug like so, and then it will keep all of the air out of your food. Now I know for a fact it keeps the air out of the food because this last week I made guacamole, and that guacamole lasted for 6 days unoxidized. I mean, maybe it was my recipe, maybe I'm a genius, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it was the Stretch-Fit lids. So, just saying. So this is a really cool design, really awesome, and as you can see, this bowl is empty, but this has something full. I actually have German chocolate cake icing in here, which is that pecan coconut yumminess. And as you can see, these things grip so tight, you can actually store this in your refrigerator like that, and it should stay there until you take it off. So, my favorite one of the circular lids is this one, because I do a lot of bread making, and I proof in bowls. And all of the recipes say to cover with plastic wrap and leave in a warm place. Well, now I don't have to cover with plastic wrap anymore. I can actually cover with my Pampered Chef Stretch-Fit lids. It will actually expand with the gases. So that's really cool. And if you have to steam peppers, after you roast some peppers for a little while and then they say cover with plastic wrap, this works really well for that as well. So I always store them just like this, backwards, and then take that one off and do that one backwards as well, because that prevents some of that chippy chip that I was talking about. I don't like to chip my bowls. I don't like glass against glass. It kind of makes me nervous. So I store them this way, and then I set my bowls nesting inside of each other, and it's perfect. And I always have my lids, and I always have my bowls that are ready. I actually have 2 sets of bowls, but only 1 set of lids. I'm gonna change that very soon. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration.